players, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and comment below. Let's get into it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey best friend. If you're not, best friend, where you been? Because it's already September 1st and I ain't heard from you. We gotta talk. What's going on? Anyway, I wanted to get to this video because today is my first unboxing video for my first PR package from Chic Cosmetics. And then I have this big box here from Amazon that came today. So the first one I want to get into is this cute little pink package from Chic Cosmetics. You can find them on Instagram and Facebook. They are an amazing brand. They're cruelty-free, vegan, and gluten-free. They have everything from eyelashes, lipstick, lip gloss, eyelash glue, tweezers, beauty blender, like all out, y'all. Y'all got to check them out. So for me, what I got today, I got some lashes, y'all. Now, if you know, you been following me on Instagram at Slayify by Shae 94. Go ahead and look me up. I have been trying to put on lashes. First time, I was still trying to draw my eyebrows. It's a struggle, but that's okay. Because we're learning. I can be honest with y'all. I ain't got it all together. Who got it together? Me? No, man. So, I want to show y'all these lashes. These babies are the bomb.com. Can y'all see them? These lashes are designed to be extra full by adding volume, length, and body to your lashes. Okay. Come through, Très Chic. And I also had to get me some eyelash glue because, period, you can't like have one without the other. Like, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. And I like the wand better because for me, when I'm applying the glue to my lash, I don't like to use the stick or the what do you call it? That adhesive glue that's like in the squeeze tube. I don't like that. So it just, I don't know, the wand makes it better when you just take it out, swoop, let it drop for 30 seconds, boom, boom, bam, boom. So shout out to Très Chic for thinking of me when they did this. I mean, you know, they did it before me, but thank y'all right here. Then I got me some cute loose pigment eyeshadow, y'all. Can y'all see that? So cute. It's so little dainty, so cute. Oh my god. Now this one is in copper. Now copper is sold out on the website. However, get this, you can have all these other ones that I saw on the website. Now within my favorites, I would say Blaze gives me that like fire, like ooh, and Lavender's cute. Sweet is cute. What's the other one I like? Aura is cute. And if y'all love that like smoky look, Evening Gray, go ahead and cop that. And when y'all do, go ahead and get to the website because I have a little secret for you. 20% off using my code SLAY with Shae. That's me. And you will get 20% off. Now, let's move on to the next. We're moving on. This baby here is my Amazon package. And I'm going to stand it up tall. So, I'm going to use my... If y'all seen this before, usually it's because you worked at a retail. I worked at Walmart and they wasn't getting this back. Nah. So I've been using it and it's still been good. I stopped working at Walmart like 3 years ago. Yeah, I was doing school and work. If you're doing school and work, shout out to you because it's something serious. Like, oh my God. I couldn't believe how hard, like it was really hard. And then I had 2 jobs working in school, y'all. Like, and I'm talking, when I say school, I meant like college. High school was cool because I worked at Bath and Body Works, so that wasn't really like, you know, too much. But baby, y'all, it's a struggle, but I made it. And if you're doing it, you'll make it too. We all about encouragement over here, empowering one another, okay? Because that's what best friends do. Now, let's get into this. Oh, Lord, y'all, look at all this paper. Look at all this paper. Oh my god. Oh my god. Y'all. I'm so excited. Oh, I have here 18-inch ring light. Yes. For photography, webcasts, and makeup. I'm super excited, y'all. Like, it really came in this huge box. I'm gonna put that up there. Okay, so let's see. Now, how do I open this sucker up? All right, here go one flap. Okay, we almost there, or whatever. And, oh, well, I just ripped it, but that's okay. Ooh, look at this, y'all. It come in a case. What? A case. Okay, look at y'all. So organized. Y'all know I love to be organized. Have to be organized. And then, I love y'all. Look at this. Okay, so it's levels. Okay. Levels to this. All right. Now, you know I got to read and see what's going on with this. I think I stand it up like this, y'all. I don't know, but I'm going to figure it out. I'm going to figure it out. You hear me? I'm super excited because, as you can see, I'm working from like all over the world. I'll be in the bathroom on my videos. Now I'm in my room. So, you know, I can get this personal with y'all because y'all my friends and y'all not gonna judge me. So, let me see here. Let me open this box. Oh, look at all my goodies, y'all. Imagine just what? I have always wanted one of these lights, y'all, but I was like, nah. I ain't gonna get one because I ain't gonna need it. And look at me trying to start my YouTube channel for my friends, you know, so we can connect out here in these streets. I'm just playing with y'all. But I'm super excited. I'm trying to put this together. I just want to come on here and do my first little unboxing video with my best friends. And I thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, give a thumbs up again. Give a thumbs up, like, give a thumbs up, and subscribe and comment below. So I want to know what y'all think about my first unboxing video. Give me some feedback. I'm trying to learn here. I'm open. I'm all open. Let me know what y'all want in the next video, what y'all critiquing on, whatever. We can get raw because we are best friends, and it is what it is. Thank you. And bye, best friends. See you later.